Yeah, she likes when I put some down. Oh. Hey, babies.
Look, little pony, you're laying in there. You're going to come with us. Come on, bub. Well, hello and welcome to Homestead Happenings.
Morning, guys.
It's pretty early in the morning this morning.
It is.
But the plan is to get up here and complete, well, it's a pretty hot project if it's in the sun. We're going to finish cleaning up the greenhouse, guys.
Yeah, because as you saw, the weeds took over.
Yeah, if you saw Homestead Happenings, I don't know, 1 or 2 ago, go back and check that out. Yeah, we were growing grass.
Yeah.
So,
and while you're still here and can help me, because it's a big project.
yeah.
It took us a little while yesterday to be able to just get most of the weeds pulled.
Yeah.
And the mulching.
Yeah.
Only in the center, though.
Yeah, only in the center. And the plan was to use the tractor, but I'm going to tell you what happened with that in a second. But let me show you what we accomplished yesterday. So you can see right down the center here, she weed whacked it. You weed whacked it all out, right, honey?
I did. I weed whacked most of it. And then I went along where I have plants and weeded.
And hand plucked.
But yeah, hand weeded.
Yeah.
So there's still a little bit more weeding in between my onions, but not much.
Nope.
So we should, oh, I forgot my gloves. I gotta go back down and get them.
Uh-oh.
But,
That's all right.
Yeah. So once we get that, we'll just finish mulching in the rest of it.
Yeah.
Between the plants themselves.
Yeah, let me show you what we're talking about, guys. So what we're talking about is, and she mulched this already, but it needs to be done again to suppress the rest of the weeds. And right here, this is what she's talking about, because believe it or not, there's an onion right there. So she's gonna get in and she's gonna finish that off.
Yeah, if you look down that end, that's what it should look like.
Yeah.
Between the onions.
Yeah.
And those onions look so much better than the rest of them.
Yeah, that's what it should look like, guys. So, but the greenhouse is relatively in the shade right now.
It is.
And in an hour and a half, it's going to be in blazing sun.
Yeah.
So now is the time to get this done.
Yeah, we're going to finish this up really quick.
Yeah.
And then...
Oh, don't spill the beans. That's in the next Homestead Happenings. But while Missy gets prepped in here, I'm going to go out here and show you guys what happened yesterday.
All right, I got to go down and grab my gloves. So I'm going to go do that while you're talking about the mower.
Okay, sounds good. So I had planned to use the mower like this, guys, to shuttle our wood chips, which are way over there, back and forth. But the drive belt that controls the back tires, let me see if I have it here. I do have it here. Let me show you guys. This thing has definitely had its last days, and that's fine. I got no problem. The lawnmower is a loaner, and it's here, and it broke, and the belt was not expensive. Little bit of a pain in the butt to get it in, but we got it taken care of. But to do that, you got to take the deck off. See here, guys? See the deck's missing? And it's upside down now because I flipped it over. You can see I sharpened up all the blades. But let me show you guys. I'm going to set you down and I'm going to flip it back over because I need to flip it over anyway. and I'll show you what happened to it. Okay. All right, guys. So when I was taking it off, the deck actually comes off very easy. It's just a pin there, a couple other pins. But when I went around to the other side to take it off, this whole bracket was ripped right off. So I got in there and I welded it all up nicey tight, fixed it up for Jason and Tara, and got it where it's supposed to be. So all I've got to do is slip it back underneath and put the pins back in. But to finish this project, so this isn't scraping along what we've already done, I'm just going to leave it out for now. And that way I can run over here, get wood chips, drive them down, drive right in to the greenhouse, and dump them as we go. So I'm going to hand the camera to Missy, and I'm going to get going, and we'll see if we can get this project done.
day
Oh,
is hot.
I know. I'm so glad that we did that before this was
Yeah.
fully in the sun.
Yeah, it's not even really in the sun.
No.
Just part of
And
it.
we use shade cloth, guys. We use shade cloth. You can see it on this side.
Yeah.
But on this side over here, we have it more draped that way because that is the afternoon sun and that's the hottest.
We're
and-
trying to protect our tomatoes.
Yeah. So,
And the peppers like
yeah.
that.
So they get morning sun
Yeah.
before it's too hot, and then they're protected in the afternoon. But let's take a look, guys. Oh, what an improvement.
Yeah, it looks so much better.
Look at tomatoes. Should take care of the weeds for the most part.
Yeah.
And look at Missy's celery
Yeah, the celery likes it in
and
here.
onions.
I pulled a couple of onions.
Yeah, look at this. Look at this one down here, guys.
No, I pulled it.
Oh, you pulled it? Let's see.
This was the biggest onion we've ever gotten.
Oh,
Look at that.
yeah.
That's a pretty good size.
That's a pretty good size onion right
Yeah.
there.
And then
Nice.
I pulled what was left of our
Oh,
radishes.
nice. The white ones.
Yeah, the icicles.
Yeah.
So, small little harvest for us.
Yep.
And I didn't plant onions to go to the market.
No.
The onions are mostly for us.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
awesome. Yeah. And it's an experiment to see if they grow in our soil.
Yeah.
And
So,
they do. So,
They do good. There's different kinds of onions in there. So some of them are smaller onions, but these are the Australian browns, and these do really good here. So maybe next year, if I can actually do better at getting slips started.
yeah.
For some reason,
We could
doing
just
them
buy
from
slips
seed
too, but
is a lot.
we could buy
They die
slips
fast.
and put in a whole row of onions.
We could.
So, that would be a good idea.
All
right.
Robin at the other
Oh,
side of the greenhouse.
see it, guys?
It's coming in to see.
No,
what's going
it just took
on.
off.
Yeah. But they always come in and peck at the mulch.
Yeah, well, there's all kinds of ants and
Bugs, yeah.
little critters in there. All right, guys, that is what we have accomplished this morning. Stay tuned for the next one. We got a little something we're going to do this afternoon.
Yeah.
Special. All right, see ya.
Bye.
Bye.